Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am doing question number 15 from the August 2025 Regent exam. They're asking for the range of this function. As soon as you see it's a function, you should say, we're going to go graph it. Okay, we're just going to go graph right away. So let's go get the calculator and let's go. So we're going to go to the screen here. Come on. And then we're just going to type in absolute value. Find the absolute value next to the book. Everything that you need for graphing is next to the book, right? Press enter, and then we're going to put x plus 2, and then outside of the absolute value is minus 5. It's going to be a v, shift it down. Yep. Okay, now what we need is we need the range. That means we need the y values. Normally, when we're doing intersections, things like that, we only care about the x values. This is the only time that we really want to focus on the y's when we're trying to find the range. Now, what we need is we need to know what the bottom of the graph is, and we need to know what the top of the graph is. The y value at the bottom, the y value at the top. Now, before we go any further, this is going off the screen. No matter where I go, it keeps going off the screen. That means it's going out to infinity. So we already know when you see something going off the screen, that means it's going to infinity. Like if you keep pulling it down and it's still going off the screen, that means it's going to infinity. So we already know what the max is. It's infinity. We need to know what's the minimum. So all we're going to do is go menu, analyze the graph, and we're going to find the minimum. And then we start on the left and we pull it until it says minimum there. So we don't care about the x value this time. We care about the y value. So anything that's equal to a -5 or greater than a -5 is in the range. Now, normally, let's go over to the paper. Normally, we would use the interval notation when we go from a -5 to infinity, right? But for the inequality, it's just saying anything that's greater than or equal to a -5. That's what this is saying. Anything that's going up is in the solution. Any y value going up is in the range. Any y value greater than or equal to a -5 is in the range. So that's what we would do, and that's all you would do. So the answer is number 1. Don't fall for this. That would be the domain. We're not looking for the domain, so right away it's not going to be x's. It's got to be y values. This is the only time that we really want to focus on the y when we're trying to find the range. That's it. Key idea. When you see a function, make sure you graph it. I've said that probably 5 times. I'll probably say it another 5. Whenever you see a function, graph it, please. All right, I'm going to stop and post.